YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley. Hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Alright you guys, so for today's video we have a super fun wig install video. This hair is from a company called Niawigs. You guys, I love Niawigs, okay? The hair quality is just amazing. Luxury hair, okay? Luxury but affordable hair, you guys. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I super love this hair. I'm going to show you guys some different styles and how I installed the hair and everything. So if you guys are interested, definitely stay tuned. Alright you guys, so we are going to get right on into this video. So I'm super excited for this video because we are trying out some new hair, and this hair is from a company called Niawigs, who specializes in affordable human hair wigs and stuff like that. So they got headband wigs, they got lace wigs, any type of hair texture that you want, they got it. Super nice, luxurious hair, high quality hair. So definitely go and check them out. I'm gonna have all of their information down below for you guys, but they did go ahead and send me one of their wigs and I'm so excited to try it. Now first things first, we need to talk about the packaging. Okay, packaging is A1. okay, I've never seen packaging this good on some hair before, so shout out to you Niawigs, because this is just bomb. So the hair comes packaged in this really cute purple box that has like this reflective look to it. Super cute. It says Niawigs on the front, and on the back it says, "We live only to discover beauty, all else is a form of waiting." So they have that cute little saying at the back there. But yes, I do absolutely love the packaging. So the hair comes in this purple box, which is actually a sleeve, so you kind of just slide the box right out of it. And the front says Niawigs again, of course, and in the back says Discover Beauty, as you guys can see. So we're gonna go ahead and open the box. You just go ahead and push this. You just go ahead and take the packaging out, and we got our hair. So first thing we have in the box is some headbands. Now of course it is a headband wig, so they did go ahead and send me 4 headbands to choose from, and all of these are animal print, and y'all know your girl loves animal print, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. Alright you guys, so here are the headbands that they sent me, 4 different animal print headbands, and they are all that like top knot design headband, which I love. So these are the 4 headbands, and we're going to be trying all of them on with the wig, so we'll see how they look. And then continuing in the box, we have the hair in this gorgeous purple silk bag, absolutely cute. And then inside we have 2 cards. One of them says post reviews get up to $45 cash back. So that information card is in the box. And this is the back of it. And then we also have another card that has their information on how to take care of your hair, how to take care of wigs, how to wear wigs, all of that stuff. And it has some of their gorgeous models as well on it. So yeah, and it also gives their return and refund policy. So you have all of that information if you choose to get their hair. Okay, so going into the hair, like I said, it comes in this gorgeous silk bag, which is perfect for storing your hair after the fact. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the hair, and the hair comes in this plastic baggie. And let's see, so this is their headband wig, and it is in 18 inches, and it's also a highlight wig. So we got some highlights in this hair, which is exciting. I love hair that has a little bit of highlights, a little bit of color. Y'all know I've been trying different colors lately, so this is just right up my alley. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair out. Okay, so the hair comes packaged in this netted cap as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. And you guys can see some of the highlights in the hair as well. So pretty. This hair is so soft, you guys. Wow, really nice quality. This is like luxury hair. It is so soft. Quality is amazing. Wow, I'm very impressed. Definitely soft hair. Feels really good. It also has the paper packaging on the inside. It has their little tag on it as well, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that off. And of course it is a headband wig, so you have your headband, of course, and at the end we have Velcro. And then for the construction of the wig, we do have 3 combs here at the top, 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, and then at the bottom we also have a comb. We also have adjustable straps, which is amazing because then you can tighten the wig to your liking. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the adjustable straps just so it fits my head nice and snug. And then of course we also have the, you know, the Velcro straps that comes on the headband wig itself. So yes, you guys, this is what the hair is looking like. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of the hair and the pretty highlights. I think it is so pretty, it's so cute, absolutely love it. And you guys, this hair is so soft, it is so silky, it is really, really nice quality hair. Like, I am so impressed. So I'm just gonna brush her out and we are gonna go ahead and install her. Okay, so I already have my wig cap on ready to go, and I did gel back my edges so that, you know, I'd have a nice sleek look when I put on the headband wig. So we're gonna go ahead and put her on, and it is so easy to install these headband wigs, you guys. You just stick the combs into your hair. So I'm just gonna stick these combs in like this. And I will say that this hair is very big head friendly because it doesn't feel tight or anything on my head. So that's a plus. If you got a big head like me, this wig is gonna be perfect for you. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten the Velcro straps in the back. All right, so here is what the hair looks like straight out of the packaging, and after I brush it, the hair is still very, very straight, which is amazing considering shipping and everything. Usually when I get straight wigs and it comes from shipping, it has like these weird bends and stuff in it, but this hair is pretty much straight still, so I absolutely love it. So I think this hair is so cute, absolutely love it. I love the highlights in the hair. It's not too much, it's not too like in your face, it's just perfect. And yeah, so now we're gonna go ahead and try some of the headbands that the hair came with. So I'm gonna start off with this headband first. This is what it looks like. Super cute animal print, and it has a little knot at the front. So we're just gonna go ahead and slide this on. And I love these headbands because they're so nice and thick. I love a good thick headband, and these ones are super thick and nice. The quality is really, really nice. So I'm quite impressed with that. Make sure I expose some of my edges a little bit. All right, you guys, so here is what the first headband looks like. I think this is so cute. I think it actually goes with my shirt a little bit too. I think it is so dope. So yeah, you guys, I absolutely love this headband. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm gonna have all the hair specs and everything down in the description box below, so make sure you guys go and check out Niawigs. Special thanks to Niawigs for sponsoring today's video. Drop me a comment down below and let me know if you guys are feeling this hair, and if you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel because we have fun over here on this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.